I thought I pressed recorded. Anyway, we were just saying it's so beautiful place. You must come and visit. We have a boomerang that we want to try. Hold 30 degrees away from you, go back and swing. Alright, now we try this. Over there. Okay, how far do I have to go and run back? No, it's supposed to come back, right?
Oh, no, not here. Just, darling, over there, try, because it's gonna easily come back into the...
Oh, then can I do...
No, darling, I encourage you to do that, otherwise you will lose it.
I'm going. I just fell there. It just fell. looks like I need to use the strength of my cord, because at the back there's a red mark mentioning core, I think. So let's try that side. I'm really throwing, huh? If don't, just be aware. What? What? It went into the water. You can see it?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, I can have a selfie stick. We can use you. Oh! So my boomerang is over there. Yeah. Alright. We have a really good view with the boomerang and the drone. Whoa, we got it! We're getting it back again. Side. I got it. Come here, silly boy. Oh, we got it.
High five!
Yeah, that was awesome. Wait. You will. Oh my god, it's not coming back. It's going to hit on my head. Oh wow. Oh. Okay, that's not bad. It just hit here. Seriously, you will throw? Oh my god, where did it go now? It went into water. Coming. Gotta rescue our boomerang. We got stuck in Myanmar. With the rain.